1998, there were two teams of astronomers who were studying supernovae, exploding stars, at large distances from us. And they saw that these exploding stars appeared to be somewhat fainter than we expected them to be. They realized that the simplest explanation was that the expansion of the universe has been speeding up over the last 5 billion years or so. And this came as a real shock because in our conventional understanding of gravity and the behavior of matter, we would have expected that over time the universe would be slowing down because all the matter in the universe is attracting all the other matter. Either there's some new stuff out in the universe that we call dark energy, which has the property that it's gravitationally repulsive, so it would make the universe speed up, or we have to admit that our understanding of gravity has some holes in it. The Dark Energy Survey is a project aiming at trying to understand what's causing the expansion of the universe to speed up.
Okay, I have it now on this side.
Okay.
I'll take it.
We're building a large camera with about 500 megapixels, and this is going to go on a 4-meter telescope in Chile that will study about 300 million galaxies over an area covering about 10% of the sky. The reason we want to do this is to look at the distribution of galaxies in the universe, the large-scale structure. Galaxies are not just distributed smoothly through space. They tend to be clumped together by gravity. Initially, the universe was fairly homogeneous, had small lumps in it, but then over cosmic time, those lumps were amplified by gravity. We think that that's how large-scale structure formed. Even though it's been well tested on scales of our solar system, we haven't been able to directly test gravity on cosmic scales. And it's possible that gravity becomes weaker when we get to very large distances in the universe. So if we can measure the rate at which galaxies and clusters of galaxies have formed, that tells us about this competition between expansion, which is making things pull apart, and gravity, which is making them clump together. That can help us try to disentangle what's really causing the universe to speed up. Is it gravity? Is it dark energy?
It's actually quite remarkable to me that in one short decade, the reaction to the announcement of the accelerating universe went from utter disbelief to nearly uniform acceptance. That doesn't mean that we understand what dark energy is or how gravity might be wrong. And I don't know that it will be resolved in my lifetime.
My hope is that as we get better data, as we narrow down the theoretical possibilities, someone brilliant will come along and say, aha, here's clearly what it's got to be. Whether we get to that in the next 5 years or the next 50 or 100 years, I don't know, but we have to keep going.